In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quip, beginner tutorial. First, open your browser and head to quip.com. If you already have an account, sign in. If you're new, you can create a free account in a minute and you'll land in your Workspace home. To create your first file, click the plus button labeled New. Then choose Document if you want a text page or Spreadsheet if you need rows and columns. As soon as the page opens, just start typing. Quip saves every keystroke automatically, which is great if you're switching devices or collaborating with others. Writing in Quip feels like any familiar editor. Type your content normally, and use the toolbar at the top for essential formatting. You can make text bold or italic, add headings to structure sections, and create bulleted or numbered lists to keep ideas organized. The editor is intentionally straightforward so you can focus on content, not the controls. A simple tip here is to use headings consistently to make long documents easier to scan, and lists to break complex topics into manageable points. Collaboration is where Quip shines. When you're ready to bring others in, click Share. Add teammates' email addresses and choose the permission that fits. View if they only need to read. Comment if you want feedback without edits, or edit if they'll be making changes directly. You can adjust these settings at any time, and everyone will see updates instantly as you type. For feedback right on the page, highlight a piece of text and select Comment. This pins a discussion to a specific spot, so context never gets lost. When you need someone's attention, use an @mention by typing the symbol followed by their name. They'll get notified and can jump straight to the exact place you referenced. Keep comments focused and actionable, and resolve them when an issue is addressed to keep the document tidy. That's it. Log in, create a document or spreadsheet, write and format your content, share with the right permissions, and use comments and mentions to collaborate in real time.